Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to rotate items in Project Zomboid. When you're in placement mode, after picking up an item or choosing place item from your inventory, you'll see a transparent preview of the object at your cursor. To rotate it, press the R key. Each press turns the item 90 degrees clockwise through the available facing directions. You can also rotate them continuously by holding down the R button. Once it's on your desired angle, release the R key and left-click on the target tile to put it down. If you're placing furniture, you can rotate as you place by holding the left mouse button and dragging the cursor in the direction you want the object to face before you let go. This lets you preview orientation visually before committing. If the item supports multiple orientation angles while placing, the game shows a green outline preview as you rotate. Some items only support two directions, so not every object will spin all the way around. Finally, remember that not all props like tiny lamps or certain decor have full rotation support. If rotating doesn't seem to work on an item, it might simply be fixed in that orientation by the game. And that's how you rotate items in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.